In terms of
Mahaba-haba na.
government support, kasi sabi mo nga, syempre atong mga children with Down syndrome, limited ang kanilang communication skills. Is there anything that's lacking in terms of government support? Aside from, of course, kasi sabi nga nila, no, it takes a village to raise a child.
Raises.
I would
I
assume
agree.
that it will be, more than a village to raise a child with special needs. So, in terms of government support, may kakulangan ba? Ano pa ang pwede natin hingin sa ating gobyerno para tulungan rin po ang ating mga kabataan na who have Down syndrome or whatever other challenges they face, so that they can be more they can have a normal setting, 'di ba? Mas hindi sila po na may stigma. Ano mga pwede pang gawin po ng gobyerno?
We're so proud na yun nga, the PDAP has been supporting us po ng mga different cities in terms of this awareness seminar, this awareness campaign. So every February po, usually meron tayong disability celebration wherein they invite mga parents, mga frontliners, na makakasama sa community ng mga anak namin. So more or less na-aware na sila. In terms of mga policies, I think isa sa mga major challenges ng mga families like me is number one po is financial in terms of yung assessment, medyo may kamahalan. Yung every week namin therapy, medyo mabigat din po. Kasi like my daughter, twice a week. In a month, 4 times a month. Medyo mabigat din. And those are talagang on cash basis po. We try to ask mga medical assistance, financial assistance with the LGU kahit papaano po to help us yung mga parents in terms of itong mga major expenses na ito. And then annually, meron din po ang DISAPI na medical healthcare wherein we invite a lot of volunteers, doctors po, para po yung talagang walang intervention, walang medical check-up since birth po ay maprovidean ng mga free check-up, and kung kailangan ng heart operation, we have networks din naman po sa mga heart center. It's really talaga medical and therapy talaga po ang medyo hirap.